Namaskara, myself Dr. Sudha Srinivasa. Today I will show you few pranayama techniques. Pranayama is gaining control over the prana and thereby on the mind. Prana is life force or breath or vital energy. The most important part of the human body is mind. Mind is nothing but consciousness or awareness. Your body is an illusion of your mind. It is so subtle that nobody can see. When energy is altered, you will get the disease, and when it is in the balanced stage, you will be healthy. All this is possible only if you know how to control your mind and how to control your energy. COVID-19 patients always experiences difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath. These breathing exercises improves your lung capacity by strengthening the respiratory muscles and supplies oxygen to each and every blood cells, utilizes the 3 lobes of the lungs and also stimulates your alveoli. You can sit on a chair or a mat, make your back and neck straight. First one is Nadana Sandhana. Here you have to chant Akara, Ukara, Umkara and Omkara. When you chant Akara, keep your palms on the abdominal muscles and feel the vibrations of abdomen. First you have to inhale deeply, and when you exhale, chant Akara and feel the vibrations or the sound resonance on your abdominal muscles. So keep your palms on the abdominal muscles. Let us start. Inhale deeply. Chant Akara in a low pitch. This you have to do up to 9 rounds. Then Ukara chanting. Here keep your palms on the chest region and feel the vibrations on the chest muscles. First inhale deeply, then when you exhale chant Ukara. Inhale. This also practice 9 rounds. Then Umkara. Keep your hands on the head region and feel the vibrations on your head region and the upper part of the body. Inhale deeply. Next is Omkara. Inhale deeply and chant A, U, So A is little longer, U is medium and is ending style. Keep your palms or rest your palms on the thighs. Inhale deeply. All these A, U, and Omkara chant up to 9 rounds. These vibrations stimulate your alveoli. Also it releases your stress and strain and also calms down your mind. Next one is variations of Yogendra Pranayama. So first we have to inhale 10 seconds, then exhale 10 seconds. No holding breath. Let us start. Deep inhalation 10 seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, do this breathing exercise up to 10 rounds daily. Next variation of Yogendra Pranayama. Here you have to do short inhalation and long exhalation. Exhale slowly and continuously, drawing your abdomen inwards towards the spine till you feel that you cannot exhale anymore. Then retain breath for 15 seconds. Then again short inhalation, repeat the cycle. Let us start. Short inhalation. Exhale deeply. Now retain breath for 15 seconds. Start. Now short inhalation and repeat the cycle up to 10 rounds. Then the same procedure in the opposite way. Short exhalation, then long inhalation, holding breath for 15 seconds, then again short exhalation. We'll do when you exhale slowly, continuously and rhythmically using all your respiratory muscles, accessory muscles, intercostal muscles and diaphragm. There is no jerky movements when you inhale. Okay, let us start. Exhale. Again, repeat the cycle. So here, short exhalation, long inhalation, holding breath for 15 seconds, then again short exhalation. Next one is inhale 5 seconds, holding breath 10 seconds, exhale 5 seconds. Here you have to use Nasika Mudra and inhale through one nostril, closing both the nostril and hold the breath for 10 seconds. Exhale through the other nostril and again inhale through the same nostril, holding 5 seconds, holding breath for 10 seconds. Exhale through the other nostril 5 seconds. So you have to adopt Nasika Mudra. Nasika Mudra, for Nasika Mudra you have to use your right hand. Thumb, little finger and ring finger should be stretched and other two fingers should be on the hollow of the palm. Close your left nostril with your little finger and ring finger. Close your right nostril with your thumb. So first, close your left nostril with little finger and ring finger. Inhale 5 seconds. Now close your both nostrils 10 seconds. Hold breath. Now exhale 5 seconds through the left nostril. Now inhale 5 seconds through the left nostril. Holding breath by closing both the nostrils 10 seconds. Now exhale through the right. 5 seconds. Repeat up to 10 rounds. How to check your oxygen level without pulse oximeter? Here you have to do deep inhalation and hold your breath for 30 seconds. Then normal exhalation. Let us start. Inhale deeply. Holding breath for 30 seconds. Exhale normally. If you are able to hold your breath for 30 seconds or more than that, your lungs are 100% efficient. If you are able to hold your breath only 20 seconds or below that, you need some medication. That means your lung is infected. If you are able to hold your breath either 10 seconds or below that, you need emergency treatment. Your lung is infected. This type of pranayamas you can do up to 10 rounds daily. If your lungs are affected the most, I would suggest to do this type of pranayamas every hour. All these type of pranayamas are helpful for people who are suffering with asthma, COPD, bronchitis, etc. You can incorporate all these type of breathing exercises into your day-to-day practice. I hope you found this information helpful. Be safe, love yourself, boost up your energy and immunity, love others. Thank you.